Okay, so here's the track, okay, or we call it a channel, okay? It's a U-channel. And it sits up against the glass, okay? It sits up against the glass there, and it goes all the way around your glass, okay? That U-channel goes all the way against your glass. When you pull this thing off, when you pull it off, you'll see the glass in here. Now see the glass? That's the glass. See that gap right there? That's because the glass is just sitting there. The glass doesn't need to go all the way to the edge. The glass sits in there, it gets pushed up against, there's a piece of metal on the inside, it gets pushed up against it, and then you put this U-channeling on, okay? You put this U-channeling on, set that up in there, and then you use these screws here. There's a screw there, and on. There's screws, okay? And that's what holds that U-channeling up against your window frame. Now, when that U-channeling is in place, it is holding your glass, okay? It's holding your glass there, okay? That's what that's all about. And you see, it's all meant to drain. It's all meant for water to get into it and all meant to drain. You can see down here in the bottom, there's a little drain hole there in the bottom. It's all meant to drain. Water's meant to get in and drain down. Okay, so my solar screens, this is the brown screw here, okay? My solar screens screw in, okay? That's the screw from the brown solar screens. That's as deep as that screw will get because the solar screen framing is going to sit in this gap right here, okay? That's going to be the solar screen framing. You see how the screw doesn't go all the way past the metal there? It doesn't get past the metal. So it doesn't go through that metal to get into the glass, okay? It doesn't get that far, okay? That screw does not go that deep into that metal, so it doesn't get into the glass. You'll see up here, here's the other one. You see there it is there. See how it doesn't go through the metal, so it can't get into the glass, okay? Now keep in mind, I'll set this back up here so you understand. See, the screw does not go all the way through. Screw does not go all the way through. It just sits up in here like that, and the screw does not get into the glass.